Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code in Windows 10. Before you continue, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. So right away, open your favorite browser and in your Google search bar, type in VS Code. It is going to bring you different options. You're going to go to the official website of Visual Studio Code, that is code.visualstudio.com. I'm going to put the link in the description. So click on this website to bring you different options, and you're going to click on download for Windows. So here it is going to prompt you to download, and after downloading, click on open. Here it is going to bring the installation panel with the license agreement. Feel free to read through, and if you are okay with it, click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. It's going to bring you the installation folder. If you're okay with it, you can click next on next. And if you are not okay with it, you can browse and go to your favorite installation folder. So click on next. It's going to bring you the installation folder where the shortcut for VS Code will be located. So click on next. Here we are going to create a desktop icon and leave the rest as they are. So create a desktop icon. Click on next. Here it is ready to install, so you can click on install. So in a few minutes we are going to be done. Yeah, we are here, we are done with the installation. So it is going to prompt you to launch Visual Studio Code, and here we can uncheck this, click on finish, and look for our Visual Studio Code on our desktop. So it is here already installed, so click on the icon. So yeah, we have managed to install our Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. So here you can continue with the customization and everything. So if you find this video helpful, please feel free to subscribe, like and comment for more videos like this. Thank you.